Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Freddy Calderon. I am 27 years old. I am security guard in a bank. I am single. I am modest, optimist, and enthusiastic. I live in Guamalmeta. I want to buy a new car. I don't know which car has better characteristics. I can decide between the Chevrolet and the Toyota. I have decided to compare two cars of different brands. I can see that the Toyota is prettier than the Chevrolet, and also the Toyota has better design than the Chevrolet. I can see that the Toyota is stronger than the Chevrolet. The Chevrolet is smaller and less comfortable than the Toyota. The Toyota is faster than the Chevrolet. Many people say that the Toyota car more effective under extreme conditions than the Chevrolet car, and I see that the Chevrolet is less expensive than the Toyota. Thanks.